we're going to make a tomato, basil, and mushroom carrot spaghetti. And you heard me right, carrot spaghetti. Cool thing, get some nice good ribbons, carrots like this. And some may ask, ribbon carrots? Yeah, the carrots are very cool because see, the thing is, a carrot has that nice good bite, that al dente texture, the same as if you was eating pasta. Everybody, I know you've been walking through the aisle in your stores and you've seen these little things. These are really good. All you do is check it out here on your carrot. Boom, look at this. Ribbons, 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 ribbons.
So you don't need a spiralizer.
You don't need a spiralizer. Look, I guess it's so good, even my earbuds want to eat the carrots. That's how good they are. These are the amazing ingredients we have. You got your carrots, your mushrooms. We got some olive oil here. So what we're going to do is you always want to start off with the carrots. So we get a little olive oil and going in our skillet, your carrots here. And then all you want to do is just give your carrots a nice good toss, just a little bit to soften them up. But you want them to keep that al dente feel the same as if you was eating spaghetti. And once you get that al dente going, look at this. So man, it's smelling so good here.
I bet it does.
I know. And after we've sauteed that, because you only want to saute it in olive oil for about 1 minute, just enough to give it, to cook the rawness taste of eating the carrot. Because some kids and adults, it tastes too raw. That olive oil gives that nice, good savory flavor. So from there, what we're going to do is we're going to add the remaining olive oil to our skillet. We're going to add in some minced garlic. We're going to add in our tomatoes. Oh, the smell is coming together so good. Now that we got that sizzle going, we're going to add in the mushrooms. And notice I'm adding in those ingredients to hit the heat of the skillet first, so it reacts to that heat, softens it up. As we got that going, now we're going to add vegetable stock. Because see, when people think about spaghetti, they're thinking about, I want the spaghetti sauce, I want that. So you can just add as much vegetable stock to it. And one of the cool things as it's cooking together, it starts to reduce. And as it reduces, that right there starts giving you that sauce with those fresh tomatoes in there. Now, just for a little note of sweet, I always add just a little agave. Not sugar, not brown sugar. The agave breaks down different. And this is good for those who want a subtle sweet, but say they're on the keto diet, things like that. Agave breaks down good. So now have a little Himalayan sea salt here, cracked black pepper right over the top of it. Then we go into those fresh herbs here. We got us some nice good basil. We got us some oregano. Because who don't love a good spaghetti without having oregano?
You need a little basil. Oregano. You're right, chef.
A little basil in there. Yes, you got to have it. Anything else to be uncivilized. Oh, man. You know what? See, look at how good this is. I know. I wish you was here to share it with me. You're going to have to come join me for dinner.
I may have to do a road trip. Come visit you.
I know. So now that we got that beautiful sauce here, let's go ahead right over the top of it. I don't care whether you're a big kid or a small kid. This is something that you want right here. This is something that you want.
Wow.
Those flavors just marry together. And then the other cool thing is, while it's sitting, I'm going to grab me a fork here. While it's sitting in that sauce, guess what's happening? It's continuing to cook those carrot ribbons to bring it on in. And this right here, oh my, look at this. You can twirl it.
I know.
Twirl it the same way.
I'm jealous. I want to try it.
I know.
Listen.
As I tell people, when you eat like this, you're not cheating yourself. You're treating yourself.
I love it. That really looks delicious. Thank you for sharing. I'm going to try your recipe. For more information about Jernard's recipe and more, go to our website at thedoctorstv.com.